Hello dear student, I am Amit Verma. Today I am showing you how can you join the online classes. As you know that we have planned to take the classes online. So for that we are suggesting to install Zoom application or Google Meet or other platform. So timely we will instruct you which platform you need to download it. So at present time we are going to use Zoom application and Google Meet. So I'm showing you how can you join the classes over Zoom application. So for that you need to install Zoom application. Go to Play Store and type here Zoom application. Actually its full name is Zoom Cloud application. So here write Zoom Cloud application. Once you type it and you can see that Zoom Cloud meeting will appear on your screen. Actually I have already downloaded it, so that is why it is showing open. When you are going to first time you need to install it, and after the installation you can see that button open. Once it has been downloaded and installed in your phone, you go for the open. Once you open this application you can see such type of interface: join a meeting, sign up and sign in. So you need not to go for sign up and sign in, you simply go for the join a meeting. Once you tap that one, you can see such type of interface: meeting ID, and here join with a personal link name. So meeting ID and password will be shared in advance before the classes. Means before the starting of the classes we will share the meeting ID as well as password. uh, you, I can show you on your respective group. We will share the uh, meeting ID and password. This is example. You can see here digital Dr. Amit Verma is inviting you to a scheduled Zoom meeting. Topic will be given, time will be given. Here join Zoom meeting, one link is given, and here you can see meeting ID and password. So that meeting ID and password you need to type here. So here meeting ID is only given, so you need to type that 72112486627. That meeting ID you need to type it. And here you can see here you have to write your name. So we have planned that you need to first write your class roll number. Remember class roll number, and thereafter you need to write your roll number. Suppose your class roll number is BC 18 14. This is your roll number and your name is Amit. So like this you have to write down and tap the join meeting. Once you tap the join meeting, you can see this type of screen. Here it is demanding meeting password. So here you can see this password 6ykppx. So you need to type password and tap on the OK. So by that way you can join the Zoom application like this. The password is 6ykppx, 6ykppx. So such type of interface. At the same time I can see your admission in my own phone. So you need to wait for some time. I will admit you in my class, then you are able to join the classes. So you have to wait for this. So another way for joining the Zoom meeting is you can see here https us04 zoom usj. You can directly tap on this link. When you see, suppose I close the Zoom application. So when I click that link, so directly you will go to this page. So that time you need not to enter meeting ID and password. Okay, so there are two ways through which you can join the classes. First one, to enter meeting ID and password, and second is that link. Once you tap that link, you will directly come to that page. So you have to wait for 30 to 1 minutes because I have to join you. You will be in waiting list. Once I will allow you, then you are able to join the classes. So I hope you got the idea how to join the Zoom classes. um, if any problem or confusion arises in your mind, so you can message me. You know my number, it is already given in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so from that you can ask the question. I will try my level best to sort out your problem. So thank you for watching this video.